She Fashionable Grays, a palette of natural-looking, trendy shades, because no one colors like she. These shades are a high-fashioned trend, popularized on the runways and by the who's who of Hollywood. While traditionally gray was unwanted where color was concerned, it has become a big fashion statement born as the granny hair trend back in 2015. This year, variations from champagne blondes to mushroom blonde drove searches up 308% on Pinterest alone. This trend is fueled by two groups: young people looking for a bold, unique look, and older women who are embracing their age with grace. In our natural color series, these shades are available in a variety of lengths and other options. Fashionable gray shades include 59, 60, 101, 103, and 516, as well as two new shades, 61 and 63. Also consider our rooted color shades, R2-61 and R2-63. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.